I'll be teaching you how to boost your profile on Upwork. Yes, this feature seems to be one of the most amazing new features Upwork has added, but is it really an amazing feature? Let's consider it. The feature of boosting your profile on Upwork provides an opportunity to promote yourself to clients seeking freelancers in your area of expertise. The charges apply only when a client interacts with your profile. So when you set it up, until a client interacts with your profile, you are not charged at all. Some of the users on Upwork find it beneficial. On the other hand, some other freelancers on Upwork perceived it as an additional revenue stream for Upwork at the expense of the freelancers. It seems Upwork has been doing a lot of things like that. The value of boosting your profile on Upwork is contingent to your individual circumstance and objectives on Upwork. It could be worth experimenting with. Track your outcome to ensure a worthwhile return on your investment. So now let's learn how to boost. First, open your Upwork. Then you would see this option to boost your proposal at the middle right corner. And now you can see boost your profile. With a boost your profile, you can bid connect to jump to the top of search results. We only charge if the client click on your profile. So select your specialty. So for my own, I'll be going with design and creative. Then I think I'm looking for video editing here. So you select your specialty. Okay, should I go for video production? Okay, video editing. Okay. Then bid per click. That means how much do you want to pay each time a client click on your profile. So you remember that other freelancers may be bidding too. So if client searches for, let's say, an AI freelancer, a freelancer that is an expert in AI, and two freelancers are supposed to show up and both of them are on bid, the person that bids 2 bid per click will show up above the person that bids 1 bid per click. Then you can select the limit. So I don't want them to charge me more than 10 connects per day. Then you can also determine, you can see the daily and total option. You can decide to make it that the 10 connect is the total, not daily. So daily would make you spend more. So you can see on the end date, which is optional, and I advise you to set it so your connect don't just keep burning. You can put in the date you want it to end. So I'll be running this for like 5 days. So that's 50 connects. Then it shows you a summary here. Then you can boost now. So your profile is boosted. Check back in a day to see how your profile is performing and if you are getting more clicks. Okay, so that's how to boost your Upwork profile.